lightsabers. That's what we're making today.
And what kind of channel do you guys have?
We all have to meet Debi today. We are from Ballinger's Present. The first thing is you want to do is figure out pink. It's glow in the dark pink. Now this one is all finished. Really, it's all finished, right? Okay, I'm finished. You cover the end of your sword with glue and sprinkle glitter on it. I'm going to use glow-in-the-dark glitter. Me too. Billy, put some on mine too.
So you're going to say, we're going to wrap the dowel with the LED lights. You want to practice that?
No.
What are we going to do next?
We're going to wrap the stick in LED light. The LED light. I had this one first. I untangled that one. It's really hard.
Well, I'll help you untangle this one. How about that?
But can you help me put it on too?
Yeah. Now we're going to put this inside the plastic tube. I can't put it in either.
Visit Debi's Design Diary for more details on this project and a list of supplies.
It's really hard to do. So get help from a grown-up if you can. Now we put the top on. I put my top on. I'm going to turn it on.
Oh, okay. You want to demonstrate the different settings?
Use duct tape to make it stronger. Now, the lightsaber is all finished. Ta-da! Magic! You can buy all the stuff to make this at Home Depot.
Big hug to Bailey, Jacob, and Parker. Be sure to subscribe to the Ballingers, give them a shout out in the comments if you like their swords, and watch the magic video we made on their channel. Thanks for watching.